Yes, thanks for logging into the Mr. Show right here. People, it's all about Jamaica to the world. As a born Jamaican, living in Canada, sometimes dating is a little bit hard. It's different. It's not the same as everywhere else. We're also going to cover Barbados versus Jamaica. Really? 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 We're also going to cover another thing here. It's the Mr. Show. Who has the best curry? Also, some things you need to know about relocating to Jamaica. It's some informative, good information right there. And oh boy, this girl had her Jamaican experience. But first, dating in Jamaica, dating in Toronto as a Jamaican. Let's get into it. It's the Mr. Show. And remember to like and subscribe.
What's it like dating in Canada?
Toronto, the girls are standoffish, but it doesn't really affect me because Jamaicans are, you're used to getting turned down.
What is the biggest challenge you faced in the dating scene here?
Cost. Because if you're taking a girl out and if you're doing it often enough, it gets really expensive.
If you could change one thing about the dating scene in Canada, what would it be?
Where I'm from in Jamaica, people are much more open to getting approached.
Just meeting someone new.
Yeah, meeting someone new is a lot easier. Here, it's a little bit more challenging, but if you put yourself out there, eventually something will happen.
Exactly. No try, no nothing. 0 plus 0 equals 0.
Very good. Wow.
In the Caribbean, which country has the most toxic men?
I would say Jamaica.
Why Jamaica?
Why Jamaica? Why you gotta say that?
I would say Jamaica.
Why Jamaica?
Because they like too much gal.
They like too much gal.
Yeah. It's like they need to stick to what they, stick to the person.
They're not loyal.
No, they're not loyal.
Jamaican men aren't loyal.
I don't think so.
Nobody in their right mind would believe that.
Well, these are them young niggas of Jamaica.
All right, the YNs of Jamaica. What's on their mind? What is on their mind?
Yeah, let's get him the fuck out of here. I don't understand what the fuck. What the fuck is that about?
Oh, man.
Sorry, Billy. Billy, sorry. Where yourself?
Okay, hold on here. Everybody, this is like an internal joke in Jamaica. Everybody in Jamaica knows that Billy Goat a bad boy. Bad man Billy. Billy Goat badness. Let's get into it. Shout out to all my Jamaicans, all St. Lucians, all Antiguans, all people from Haiti.
Sorry. Billy, buck you again, No, Billy. You don't have to buck me again. You are no bad man. You are no bad man.
Rewind that. Yeah.
Sorry, Billy. Billy, sorry. Where yourself? I'm sorry. Billy, buck you again, No, Billy. You don't have to buck me again. You are no bad man. You are no bad man. Me know me are no bad man, Billy. You are the bad man. Bad boy, Billy. We run round yourself. Yeah, I your place. You run both. Look for me when I talk to you. Yes, Billy. Yes. Yes. Me sorry, I chew me this. Stop your eyes, man. And don't make me come back over here again. Here.
Go. You have to go, girl.
There's nowhere to go.
That's on you.
All I know is you.
Well, shit.
All I know is you is what she said, but just for the backstory right here. Yeah, she got caught cheating. She got caught cheating.
Hey, yo.
Oh. Yo. Oh. And she's like, all I know is you.
Oh.
Obviously not, bro. Obviously, you know a little bit more than just him. So let's go. Got caught cheating.
You have to go, girl.
To the streets, she shall be returned.
Nowhere to go.
That's on you.
All I know is you.
Well, shit, obviously not. Don't play that bullshit with me.
So many years ago.
Oh.
It's still your town.
That ain't my kid. That ain't my kid. Now you're single mom. Now you're single mom.
Has he been around my kids?
No.
Who is he?
That doesn't matter.
Do you love this person?
Yeah.
Are you in love with him?
I'm pretty sure so, yeah.
You expect me to just pack my clothes and leave my kids?
No. Mm-mm.
Yo, she trifling, bro.
I'm leaving.
She trifling, bro. Ouch. She's trifling, bro. She trifling, bro. Jeez.
You expect me to just pack my clothes and leave my kids?
No. Mm-mm. I'm leaving.
You're leaving.
Yeah.
I need to know where you're taking my kids.
I'm not taking them. I mean, they're gonna stay here with you.
You would abandon your kids for a man?
Yeah, see, that's what I want to talk to you about because I want to be able to
Yo, she looks like someone I know personally in life. Shout out the Malvern crew.
talk to them and see them and, you know, hang out with them from time to time. You know what I'm saying? So.
That's very considerate of you.
Alright, and then...
Wait a minute.
Hold on. Just quickly, has anybody been injured? Yes, he hit me. Hit on my face.
Where?
In front of my son, and he said I have to suck my mother.
Yo. Come again with that one, yo. That's crazy. So, okay, what happened there?
In front of my son.
What happened?
You know, hang out with them from time to time.
And
Wait a minute.
Hold on. Just quickly, has anybody been injured? Yes, he hit me. Hit on my face.
Where?
In front of my son, and he said I have to suck my mother.
We call it the ribbit walk.
Okay, well, saying sucking mother is not an No, for me it's not a good thing. So I am asking him if you did something with your mother or not. Did you do something like this?
So, okay, first long-term relationship, you had told him the body count was on the low end.
Yeah, he was
how
like,
did he
that
find
changes
out?
Everything.
Like, did you tell him, or did he like
I just
find
started
out?
feeling guilty because I started like really falling for him. So I was like, this lie, like
Damn.
I'm holding it in. So I told him, and he like flipped out on me.
Wait, so what was the number that you told him?
4.
What was it actually?
Like 150.
Oh, yo. This girl is crazy. You got to find out the body count at all time, fellas. You got to know what the body count is right away.
He needs some milk.
Just everything.
Like,
And
did you tell him, or did he like
I just
find
started
out?
feeling guilty because I started like really falling for him. So I was like, this lie, like
Damn.
I'm holding it in. So I told him, and he like flipped out on me.
Wait, so what was the number that you told him?
4.
What was it actually?
Like 150.
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
What's it like dating in Canada?
Him, and he like flipped out on me.
Wait, so what was the number that you told him?
4.
What was it actually?
Like 150.
Excuse me?
Sorry, Mom.
Wait,
Sorry,
how
Dad.
old were you?
I was 19. I had a friend who had an older sister, and she told me have sex with as many people in high school as you can because no one has STDs.
Yes, I took his lady. I like blue faces, so I took his baby.
So I took that as law, and I really went for it. Have sex with as many people as you can in high school because nobody has any STDs yet. And I just took that as law because I was
Too expensive. I'm giving it back.
young.
I already
And you're
have
27 now?
I am 27.
Okay.
So do the math.
All right. You saw that for yourself. 19 years old with 150 bodies, bro. I know it's not all women still, but those ones happen to put themselves online all the time still. So, yo, you ever have an informer colleague?
Guys, you cause attention.
But I know me take the cheese.
Then if I know you are who?
A Rati and the TV.
Informer.
I know me.
Yo,
I know
stop
me.
it nice, you cause attention.
But I know me take the cheese.
Then if I know you are who?
A Rati and him thief in gang.
Rati?
Me can't kill you, go show you where them there. A China man see me this morning and I talk about come puppy, go suck your mother, Mr. Chin. You can't trick me and cook me.
Agent, the Pearl of the Caribbean, Barbados. Jamaica's like
the
number
polite
two.
version. You know what? We're filming.
Barbados has the best rum.
Hold on. Did you hear what the girl said? You guys are the polite version of the Caribbean, you Barbados people. What do y'all think? What is the best island in the Caribbean? Jamaica, Barbados, Haiti, Cuba, Dominica, who? Let's go.
The Pearl of the Caribbean, Barbados. Jamaica's like
the
number
polite
two.
version. You know what? We're filming.
Barbados has the best rum.
Oh, he wants to fight.
Monget, best rum.
I've had it. It's okay. Getting right
Smooth. It's smooth.
It doesn't need to be smooth. It needs to be effective. Whenever people think of the Caribbean, they think of food. Jamaica.
Flying fish, Barbados.
Curry goat, Jamaica.
Okay, I mean no disrespect when I say this, but we all know Jamaicans are not in the curry discussion, okay?
Jerk chicken, Jamaica.
Y'all can have oxtail, y'all can have jerk chicken. Y'all have the worst curry.
Jerk
Dancehall,
chicken.
reggae.
All right, reggae.
Usain Bolt, Bob Marley, the Wailers. You have Rihanna.
We have Rihanna. I love my Jamaican cousins. Just, you know, I got the best island, that's all.
Guyanese and Trini got the best curry. Only they can have this argument. I don't care what a Jamaican got to say about curry, because y'all don't know.
You got the Trinidad.
Hold on. People, is it true? Does Jamaica have the worst curry?
Guyanese and Trini got the best curry. Only they can have this argument. I don't care what a Jamaican got to say about curry, because y'all don't know.
You got the Trinidadians now, they're going to be all upset.
Gosh.
St. Lucians, you know.
St. Lucians, Bahamas, they're all going to say something.
Y'all don't know. Don't get me wrong. Y'all can cook. But the curry discussion, y'all cannot have that. Come on.
Everyone should chime in with whose food is the best.
Barbados, number one.
What is the basis of why Jamaican men don't eat?
It's about power and masculinity. Jamaican men feel as though their, dominance, their power, it's threatened by wanting to eat some. And they think it's just not masculine. They think it's like you're bowing down to the woman or like you're less than, which makes no sense at all. Jamaican men like to portray themselves in a way where the other man them have respect for you. Like you want the man them to be like, yeah, bad man. And if you're eating, so they say you're not a bad man. Me personally, I think you are a bad man if you eat some.
So someone asked me, was it easy for me to adapt to living in Jamaica? So I'll tell you some of the things that really get on my nerves. One, in Jamaica, they rush to do absolutely nothing. So if you don't mind going and being in the bank to take care of business, even depositing money, being there sometimes 30, 45 minutes to an
Yo. You've heard of Jamaican time. Yes, Jamaican cool runnings right through the thing, is it? And a rush thing. We're not Russian, we Jamaican. Okay, that was corny. Let's go.
hour, then okay, you'll be okay. Number two, sometimes we don't have like electricity for hours, and it's been known to happen for days, and the same with water. So if you don't have an issue with that, you'll be okay. They automatically think that because you are a foreigner, you have a checkbook, or not a checkbook, but there's something stamped on your head that says money, money, money. Other than that, if you're okay with those things, then Jamaica will do you just fine. Yeah. Did I forget to mention that they have the most beautiful rivers? You see that? They do, all over Jamaica. And of course, the weather's wonderful all the time.
Look who the white man them praise. Somebody with white like them and them ear look like them. Look who the Chinese praise. Look who the Indian praise. So why the fuck me the black man can't praise a black man? What's up with no woman? Right now.
Man them, if you don't have a woman and she says she's pregnant,
make sure you ask for your DNA.
But I feel like say Jamaican women too honest. I'm not trying to be hypocritical, but I feel like say when you tell people some truth.
Yeah, this is how women keep women down. Listen to how she's telling women that their best option is to tell lie. Yo. You can't make this up.
What them the need to know. And here's an example. So say you live in our community, right? And
man, speed up her mouth.
Everybody know your past, them know see you've been with 10 men in the community, and probably you want to level up your life, you want more standing in society, and want to change focus. You can't wait when you pass and try to behave nice and right? And running a little journey. You just don't need to tell him anything because I say no, you want to level up, but all you gotta do it if you tell this new man now, say a 10 other man, and then know him know, say I'm 11, and then know if you want him left him, I gotta tell the other people in the community, see you pass constantly, I go hold it down. Sometimes you feel like
Jamaican men are just dangerously horny. They can.
Listen, the narrative. We don't honey, we love pum pum. The narratives, guys, come on. Sexuality could be a Jamaican man's middle name. All right, let's go.
Not help themselves. Y'all know that song that's going viral on TikTok right now? You can ask for flowers.
Big up Elephant Man.
Go Elephant Man.
We can talk for hours. Next to the flowers, sit down for my old girl. You do.
Oh, shit, okay, Elephant Man, Jamaican man, just dangerously horny. The first time I got my booty ate, it was a Jamaican.
Yo, I lie, I tell. You're telling lies. Yo.
It was 9 to 5 booty. Like I was straight off the clock. I didn't even have time to spread the cheeks, and let water run through. And this was before I was waxing my booty hair. So that man was going through Pride Rock.
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
What's it like dating in Canada?